You chose the right motor. You chose the right propeller. You chose the right ESC. And still, your drone doesn't perform well. Why? Because these components don't work alone. They must work together. These components may be correct individually, but together, they create a bad setup. Because everything is connected. Motor affects propeller, propeller affects current, and current affects the ESC. Let's build a correct setup step by step. Step 1. Choose your motor. For example, a RS3230 62500 kV motor. Step 2. Select the propeller. A 5x4.3 prop is a balanced choice. This combination creates a specific load on the motor. That load translates into electrical current. Step 3. Choose an ESC that can handle that current. A 45 amp ESC provides a safe margin. Now, the system works together. But most people make one critical mistake: using a large propeller on a high kV motor. This increases load dramatically. Or choosing an ESC that is too small. It cannot handle the current. Or ignoring safety margin completely, leaving no room for safety. Small mistakes can destroy your entire system. So here's a simple way to build a perfect drone setup. Start with the motor. Then choose the propeller. Calculate the load. And finally select the ESC. When these components match, your drone becomes efficient, powerful, and reliable. In the next video, we'll choose the right battery to power this entire setup.